the recording
afternoon.
is on, so that
Good afternoon, Sanjay.
Uh, yeah, I'm Sangat Patil. I'm certified SAP CRM consultant, having about 13 years of experience, and I am involved in SAP CRM, SD, and C4C implementation and support projects. Okay, I have as far as C4C is concerned, I have experience of two projects implementation and support. Okay. Ye- yes. Would you introduce yourselves, please?
Yeah, yeah. I have 3 years of experience. Like I think mostly as an admin and 1 year as a consultant in with. I have worked with PwC for a year in SAP C4C.
In I
But
mean,
the thing is,
now I would like to know your background, please, so that as per that I can frame the course. So
okay.
that's the reason why I'm more interested to know about your
Yeah.
background.
Hello. Can you hear me now?
Yes. Yes. I mean, I wanted to know, have you worked on any of the modules like SD or CRM or customer service?
I have worked on SAP C4C for 3 years.
Oh, you have worked already. Okay.
Yeah, but has a mostly 1.5 year as an admin and 1 year as a consultant. But I have not done that integration part.
Okay, okay, okay. So then, fine.
So
So
whatever
then
I
no
learned,
problem.
I learned with the help of help documents. So I want the proper training. So that's the reason.
Oh, okay, 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 fine. And okay. Right, right. Okay. So as you aware, I will just brief about C4C, and then we can see what are the things to be taught in the course. That part I will discuss about. And today's session will be kind of demo and brief introduction about C4C. Okay. And as you know, the word C4C stands for Cloud for Customer, and initially, SAP had developed C4C as their own product, and the modules were the sales and the service modules. And after the acquisition of Hybris, which is a Swiss-based company, and SAP has rebranded this as Hybris C4C. And Hybris is well known for its solutions like Hybris Commerce. It's for the e-commerce sites, and also it is also has a solution of the commerce and marketing. Okay, and after the acquisition, they rebranded it, and later on, SAP has acquired a couple more solutions from other players, Gigia and other companies, and they have once again rebranded it as C4 HANA.
Okay.
Okay, that means it's a cloud for HANA, and later on they have further rebranded it as customer experience. So that is now they are calling it as SAP CX. So the SAP CX consists of and also the Hybris name has been removed, and that has been renamed as SAP Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Marketing Cloud, and Commerce Cloud. So the this SAP customer experience contains these clouds, and then the customer data cloud. So altogether, they are calling it as a customer experience cloud. Okay. So this is
Sangat,
in brief
sorry.
about the SAP C4C and its journey from SAP C4C to SAP CX. Okay. And
Sorry to interrupt you, Sangat. So, are you sharing your screen because we couldn't see your screen?
okay, okay, I will show. Well, no, I was just theoretically talking. I will
Okay, okay, okay.
then
No
I
problem.
will
No problem.
because
Yeah, yeah, sure.
then I will write it down otherwise.
Okay.
So okay,
Yeah.
fine. Just a minute. I'll just open this. Yeah, is my screen visible?
Yes, yes, we can see your screen.
Okay,
Yep.
okay. So
Great.
I will
Yes.
just
Manoj,
just
you
for
can see, right?
understanding. Yeah, SAP C4C. and then SAP has acquired SAP IBRIS, and they contain commerce and marketing. Then this has been branded as IBRIS C4C. Okay, and then they have branded it as SAP Customer Experience C4 HANA. C4 HANA Suite. Okay, this contains and they have later on rebranded or renamed them as SAP Sales Cloud, and SAP Service Cloud, and SAP Marketing Cloud, and SAP Commerce Cloud, and SAP Customer Data Cloud. Okay, now they have rebranded it as SAP CX Cloud. CX Customer Experience, and also SAP has acquired one more company called MRSys. MRSys into customer engagement. Still, it is being called as SAP MRSys Customer Engagement Solution. So it is called as SAP MRSys. Okay, so this is in brief about the SAP C4C from SAP C4C to SAP CX. Okay, so in this course we will be learning about SAP Sales, and in the course in this course we will be learning about SAP Sales Cloud and SAP Service Cloud. Okay, and couple of couple of aspects of Marketing Cloud as well. Aspects. Okay. So this is how the course has for these the contents of the course will be having these areas in the SAP C4C, and coming to what we can say is the C4C, or till even now people do use word SAP C4C. Okay, and in this the as the name itself indicates, everything is in cloud, so it is a cloud solution, and as perhaps you might be aware of Salesforce. Salesforce is the tough competitor to SAP, because they are into mainly into Salesforce. They are into mainly into CRM. We call it as Salesforce CRM, and they are the tough competitor to SAP C4C. And in this, as the name itself indicates, it is in the cloud, so it's a cloud solution. SAP C4C, it is a cloud solution. Okay, And the basic here earlier they were using the implementation methodology called launch methodology was adopted for in the beginning. Was adopted in the beginning, but now it is activate methodology. It is activate methodology. Okay, and here in the C4C, it's in on-premise solutions or even in ECC and CRM. They are called as client, right? We call it as a client 200, 300 like this, 300 like this, etc. But in C4C, it is called as tenant. Clients are called as a tenant. So this is the basic name change or basic difference in naming. And as you see in this the system landscape, if you look at sandbox, then dev, then QA, then prod, right? So this is, sandbox is we will definitely see the dev, QA, and production system landscape. But in C4C, there is a basic major difference in C4C. There will be dev slash QA and then production. There is no concept of the development and QA, and it is generally called as QA is a QA, and in the QA system itself, all the development activities take place, and once everything is ready, then the build is moved to the transported to the production. So if at all, so this is the usual tenant landscape. But if at all some SDK is involved, yes, if SDK is involved, then SAP suggests go for additional testing client. Additional testing client. Okay. So that means what is SDK is a software development kit. If your project involves much of development, so then SAP suggests you should go for additional testing client. So in this scenario, if we are going to have one more testing client, so then it will be like this. Yeah, then the system landscape will be like this. But there is a limitation, or there is a condition that the QA system cannot be we cannot have it for a certain time period. Once you have acquired, you have to have it permanently. Okay, so this is the condition SAP puts on if you want to have additional testing client. Okay, are you following any doubts, please, so far?
Um, QA we cannot have for a long period of dev system.
Sorry, I didn't get you.
So the SAP suggests either to have dev system QA, or we cannot have QA for a very long period.
We can have QA for a very long period. So see, this usual setup is like this: QA and production. So usually it will be like this. But if you want to have an additional test scenario, and if you want to have system landscape like dev, QA, and production, so then you have to have it for what I mean to say is this QA which is an additional tenant. Are you getting?
Okay, like if we have like customized work center, then the SAP suggests us to go for dev. Like if we have a lot of customized work centers and all that sort, no?
Exactly. Exactly. If you have a lot of customization and then you can go for additional QA. So in that case, it will become dev QA and production.
So we need to transfer from dev to QA, QA to prod.
Yes, exactly.
Oh, got it. Okay.
Okay. But in usual scenario, we do transfer from the dev to QA, QA to production, right? In on-premise solutions.
Hmm.
So it is a similar case. Okay. But you cannot have it for for a certain time period. Once you have a QA, you want to have additional QA, then you have to have it forever. Are you getting my point? Ms. Sonal, are you able to hear me? Hello? Am I audible?
Hello?
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
I
Okay.
can hear
So
you.
is it clear what I mean to say? Did you follow what I said?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Dev, QA, and production.
Yeah. No, this one, if you want to have it, once you buy it, you have to have it forever. It's not that I will buy it for a certain time period. Once my development is over and I will close it. It's not like that. That is not accepted. Okay, fine. Now
Okay.
let us come to the course content. See, we will be learning about. Perhaps you will be aware of these terminology because you said you have already worked on C4C. Like we will be talking about
Yeah.
lead, opportunity quotation, and then order management, and then activity, then visit planning, yeah, these I will be anyways. I will be sharing this syllabus, and then we can proceed further. Okay.
Do we have mashup?
Yes, we have mashup. Yes,
Oh,
we will be talking about mashups. It's an important topic actually. Okay, and
so you're
any
gonna share the
doubts?
soft copy or something?
Yes, definitely. I will
A
share
soft copy or something. Okay.
a soft
Uh,
copy of which
so
one, please.
this contents, right, Sonal?
This one. Say, you
I
mean
think
syllabus
the
content?
document, like,
Yeah,
not
yeah,
this
yeah. I
one.
will share. I mean, about the whenever we conduct a class, right? So you are talking about that?
Yeah, yeah. About that soft.
Okay.
Definitely, I will share the soft copy.
So what happens, Sonal, just I want to brief you about the process. So whenever necessary, Sangan will be, writing some running notes for the important points. So those session wise will be sharing to you. And also, I request you not to write anything by yourself whenever you are doing. I request you to just concentrate on the class only, because end of the day we are going to share you the complete set of recording. Like today's session is also getting recorded, the full
Okay,
set you'll be
understood.
getting after this one. So you be relaxed and you can ask as many questions as you want. The main agenda for this training is going to be you should get 100% out of it. That is our main agenda. In first session, majorly in the first session, what happens is like we need to understand and connect with you. That is very important point. So where you are standing, how we are going to, which methodology we need to follow to you, so that that will be for the first session. It will be like that. That's the reason only we are having a brief session today. From tomorrow onwards, it will be in a very in-depth fashion. Okay. Yeah. Thank you so much.
One more question. Like, I'm okay with weekdays.
Okay. Okay. Then that's fine. That's absolutely fine with me. During weekdays, which timings you would like to have?
Any time is fine. Like from 10, 11, anything is fine.
In the morning?
Mine, I stay in Germany, so right now it's 12:25 p.m. right now in my place.
Oh, okay, 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 okay.
So
Fine. Yeah, that's fine then. But, around 10 o'clock is also okay with me. Okay. So, any other questions you have?
actually, I lost the connection. Can you come again? Like, what did you tell?
I said 10 o'clock in the morning. Are you talking about IST or which time region you are talking about?
10
No,
to me, it will be in IST. It will be, I think,
12:30.
6:30 morning.
Are you in USA?
No, no, Germany. We are three and a
Oh, okay.
half hours behind India.
Yeah, 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 correct. 3.5 hours, correct. Okay. So then, okay. So what time you suits you? Please let me know. Even in German time,
Mine 10, 11 is fine to me.
So 10 means
10 German
1:30.
time.
1:30. 10 means
Yeah,
1:30
that's
for us.
okay. That's fine. That's fine with me.
Yeah, great. Because you'll be working in the evening, right? So evening shift will not be suitable for you, and that is adjustable. Okay, fine then. 10 a.m. 10 morning. Okay, 10 morning every day we can have it. Like that's going to be 1:30 for us.
Cool. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, Sangan, you can carry on.
Yeah. Yes. Any other doubts you have?
No, no, no doubts.
Okay. Okay. Fine. So then, shall we start from tomorrow?
Tomorrow, if you're fine, it's okay. Like if I go for weekdays, do I need to attend weekend too?
No,
No,
not
no need.
necessary.
No need. No need. Well, then we can start from Monday itself. Then, if it,
Yeah, Monday
if
10, right?
yeah,
Monday 10.
then that's fine.
So we can
Yeah.
start that one. And these
Yeah.
contents I'll be sharing to you. And Sunil, please let me know like which are the topics you want to have more emphasis on. So we'll be taking care of those things as
My
well.
integration. Integration is the main thing.
Yeah. Okay, okay, okay.
This
So anyways,
communication channel. Yeah.
yeah, I'll be sharing you the content. So if you feel like some of the topics which you want to emphasize or want to add, want to omit, you can just let us know. We can, plan it accordingly. Yeah, from Monday onwards. So Monday 1:30 we can proceed on Indian time. So that's going to be 10 a.m. for you.
Yeah, yeah.
Great. Okay, thank you so much. So let's connect on Monday. Thank you so much, Mr. Patil. I really appreciate
Thank
your
you.
time
Thank you.
quickly.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
thank you.
Thank you.
Right. Thank you,
Thank
Sunil.
you so
Bye bye.
much.
Yeah,
Thank
thank
you.
you. Bye
Thank you
bye.
so much. Thank you.